Now we'll explore the children of HTML tag. So let's say list HTML.children. Here is the second index of this list has the body tag. So let's say body equal to list HTML children, and the second index, we print the body here, and the body also contain a child which is p tag. So let's say p tag equal to list body dot children, and the first index, because the zeroth index we will have the body p tag and p tag. We also got the p tag with the text, but we only need to access the text, right? So we can say p tag dot get text method, and we'll get the text only. Here is some simple content for this page. Thank you.